Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to show you something which I actually didn't think of making a video of, but this is such a great quality phone holder that I wanted to share it with you. As you might know, I have a camera cage on my Canon camera from Newer, if I'm pronouncing that right, and this is also a Newer phone holder. This is the box it does come in. QR codes for newer.com, TikTok and Facebook. And this is the model. Actually it's called SP2, I think, 02. Oh, all kind of warnings. Anyway, it did come in this soft plastic, and it had, so this is attention to detail, guys. It had this foam piece in here so it would not scratch that piece. So I did look for a phone holder that has an Arca Swiss bottom, because on my camera slider I have, well, original or a bought Arca Swiss mount. This is my version of it, a 3D printed one. Just wanted to show you. And this goes in here, or does it, this way, and obviously fits perfectly into an Arca Swiss mount. And the reason why I want it on my camera, the Arca Swiss mount is built into the cage right here in this camera, so it's right here. And I wanted to be able to use my phone as well to take videos or take pictures. And so this is what I bought, and I did look around. This was the best featured holder, which actually it was, currently it's $23, and it was more than I thought that I would spend. I was looking for like $15 range, but now I am so glad that I did buy this. So anyway, you have Arca Swiss mount on the bottom, you have 1/4 inch 3/8 inch hole if you want to screw it down onto a tripod, for example, and you can obviously tilt it and you do screw it down there. It has what are those things called? Oof, I can, well, you know what it is, the cold shoe, I think it's cold shoe. It has cold shoe on the bottom, cold shoe on the top, and this is aluminum, guys, so not plastic, because I have a plastic one and it broke from the bottom. And you have spring loaded, and it opens pretty wide. If you want to see how wide, let's do it in inch, because I know most of you guys are from the United States. It's opened up more than 3.5 inch, and for us guys here in Europe it's 9.5 centimeters, so it's pretty wide. It goes pretty wide, and it is obviously spring loaded, so you could just use it and put your phone in here spring loaded, but you can also, with the lever here, lock it in place, and now it's locked into the place. And that's also a very nice feature. Oh, I'm sorry, I might be off the camera on the screen. Anyway, it has a lock feature, and you can turn it, and it has detents. Oops, oh, SP2, there it is. It has detents, 45-degree detents, and then you can lock it also in place so it won't move. And this is it. It's a camera holder, phone holder, or depending on a tablet. No, probably not a tablet holder. But it is very, very well made. Very well made, and this will last you your lifetime. As the sayings go, I'm not that rich to buy cheap. Meaning, if you buy cheap, you buy twice or three times. And you could even use it like that. Let me tilt my plastic one. You could use it like that on your table. So this is really nice. Really nice. Machining is great. It's not like the hold on. The L bracket that I bought that I thought will be CNC machined, and it's not. It's made in a mold and then painted, not even anodized. It's painted, and it was not even straight 90 degrees. I had to shave it off on the bottom on my bandsaw. No, Bandschleifer. Oh my god, I cannot speak. Maybe it's because I only slept 4 hours. Anyway, my belt grinder. So I adjusted my belt grinder table to exactly 90 degrees to the belt, and then put it like that. Obviously, you can unscrew this here on the bottom, and did ground it down to 90 degrees, and now it is pure 90 degrees. It's usable, but it's not what I paid for. I paid very little. It cost like $7, I think, and they go for up to 18. Maybe I should spend the 18 to get it CNC machined. But anyway, this phone holder is absolutely gorgeous, and they really go through the trouble to put all the info on there. And normally I don't like printed stuff, but this is not visible when you're using it, so it doesn't matter for me. It doesn't bother me. Newer, it's a company, they have a right to put their name on it. I do as well on my PCBs and everywhere else. And anyway, if you want quality phone holder that has 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch to tripod mount, and speaking of tripod, I have a monopod here that I bought on a flea market for $5, guys. And this is a German company, and they did sell for $180 back in the days when they came out. And you can hear the quality, and if you could smell the oil that they used to preserve this. And I was amazed to be able to find this on a flea market where they just lay it on the ground. It has almost no scratches, nothing major. It has still the sticker on it, made in West Germany. If you don't know, West Germany, because Germany was divided into East and West Germany, and this is made in West Germany. That will tell you how old it is. And even the fake leather, and this thing is like 25-30 years old, guys. I found a brochure of it, of somebody taking a picture of the paper and making it into PDF, I think. And the knob is brass, and it's a little oxidized, but it's brass, and it's absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of signs of use, which is absolutely okay, of course. And anyway, long story short, you can mount this onto your tripod or monopod and use it with your camera, with your phone as well, phone camera. So sometimes you do find, once in a blue moon, you find something like that on a flea market here in Bulgaria. Mostly it's stuff that are thrown out in Germany and they bring it over here and sell it on the flea market, but sometimes you do get lucky. Anyway, I will put a link to this beautiful phone holder into the description, along with the other links, like for example the Nightcore NB Air power brick that I made a review of, including its a little bit expensive cable, and anything else that I do buy or get sent to from Aliexpress. This one I did get a, they call it seeding balance, and I could pay for it from them. This one I paid for myself, and I am not unhappy in the slightest way. This is so beautiful. It's awesome. If you need something sturdy that will last you a lifetime, I believe this will last you a lifetime, go for it. As I said, I will put a link in the description. Those will be affiliate links, and I will get a small percentage on any sale if you go through that link. Other than that, as I said, I did buy this myself and I absolutely love it. It's absolutely, even the turning, it's so smooth. I mean, you know quality if you have it in hand. Adam, I know you're watching, or Pete, if you guys need a phone holder, go get it. And if anybody is interested in the 3D print files, I will put them in the link as well, so you can print your own Arca Swiss holder. This one has a 1/4 inch thread in it as well. It's offset because of the screw going through all the way, so it's very stable. It's not just a thread in here that could rip out, it's a whole screw. And this part is actually from a GoPro screw knob thingamajiggy. So I just took the thread out and used this knob because it's aluminum and it's beautiful. And this one you could as well mount onto your tripod, if I get the hole right, like this. So anyway, this is it, guys. If you do have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. If you want to get notified on other stuff that I buy on Aliexpress, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. I have other things coming up, not coming up, but and here I'm just confirming the phone holder that I received, that I have cables coming up, screws. These are, some of them are parts for my Mac Scroll over here. And I did order some batteries, which I will make a UPS, a portable small UPS with this board here, to power my mini PC behind the monitor, because here any given time the power can go out, brown out, and then every time I pray that my PC does not get damaged. So that will be another build. If you want to follow that along, you are welcome to do so. What else do I have coming up? I have some parts. I have also a small, what's it called, a quick release with RE location pins that I ordered, that will go on here, so I can also connect my phone as a camera screen in case I need that. Oh, actually I did buy this for something else, not for the camera. I did buy a grip top handle. Where is it? Did I go past it? I did buy a top handle. Somehow it's not showing up here now. That's strange. Anyway, if I get that, it will be a handle that you put on here and you can hold your camera like that. And as I said, if you want to get notified, please subscribe. If you like the video, do this. If you don't like it, do this. Fine too. If you hate me, write a comment. If you like me, write a comment. If you have any ideas or suggestions, write a comment. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks everybody. Take care.